Hey, all the future assistant professors, welcome back to English for English by Pooja Singh. So, only 15 days are left, right? Now, there are two types of students. The very first one would be going for all the new courses, new notes, new PDFs, new telegrams, new channels, n number of PDFs, n number of note making 15 to 20 authors religiously and just making notes, right? And there is other student who is just revising one single note copy that they have made during their preparation 6 months back. Now you tell me in the comment section which student will clear net, the one who is making notes now or the one who has already made the notes earlier and now they are revising it. So the very big question is that can we clear UGC NET JRF in 15 days? Is it possible? So yes, it is possible if your foundations are strong, if you know what you have to read, and most importantly, you should also be knowing what you don't have to read it, right? Everybody will tell you have to do this, you have to do that, but few will tell you that you should not do these things in last 15 days. So I am just here to tell you, to make you believe that yes, if you are revising correctly, if you are focusing on what you know 100% and making that revision perfectly in last 15 days, you are definitely clear your UGC NET, even JRF, right? What you have to do, I'll just tell you. See, I have already made a lot of videos regarding the strategy, 6-month strategies, 3-month strategies, important authors, important PYQs, most repeated PYQs, Indian literature, research methodology, unit 1 paper, all 10 units, important facts. Now what you have to do, you have to revise that again and again. Now I'll just tell you the sequence, what you have to do in last 15 days if you want to clear your UGC NET JRF. Before telling you that, I just have one question in my mind that you should be asking yourself why you want to clear your UGC NET examination. Is it for you? Is it for JRF? Is it for NET? Is it for PhD? Is it for job? Is it for your parents? Is it for your happiness? Is it for your society? Is it for the money? Is it for the fame? The reason should be very clear in your mind, because this reason will motivate you in this last 15 days. Only intrinsic motivation works, not the outside motivation, right? So my sole purpose to make this video is to make you believe, to make you understand that you should be clear your vision, that yes, why I want to clear my UGC NET JRF examination, right? So do ask yourself that question and do let me in the comment section what are your reasons to clear your UGC NET examination. Okay, whatever your reasons will be, put your heart and soul to it in this last 15 days and that will be crazy result, right? I know many of JRF students that they have not done the entire syllabus for English literature, but they are the rank holders, they are JRF, they are getting stipend, they are getting fellowship, they are getting recognized, but what they did finish is the revision, multiple time revision of one book multiple times, PYQ multiple times, not going through the PDFs and Telegram channels and the new courses, right? So what you will do in these last 15 days, just revise. What you will revise for the last 10 days, I'll have just divided into two parts, very simple. For first 5 days, you have to dedicate your time to British literature, literary theory, literary criticism, Indian literature, and what you will do, PYQs. What you have to study, PYQs. For last 5 days, focus on research studies, cultural studies, then world literature and language, English in India. These are the later minor reasons, and that you have to focus on PYQ. That is more than enough, right? If you are for the last 10 days, you have to revise this. For the first 5 days, British literature, theories and part, and for that last 5 days should be your mock test, PYQ, live quizzes, should be your priority. Write the PYQ, see where did you go wrong, and then revise the authors, revise the poems, revise the lines where you are getting stuck. That is your strategy. You know where your weak points are, you know where you stay strong. So it's you who have to decide what should be your last 15-day strategies, not anybody's else's, even not mine. So I just wanted to share you these things, that yes, if you think you can crack UGC NET JRF in 15 days, yes, you can crack it. Only if you know what is the real reason behind your cracking UGC NET, right? So I just wish if you just after your examination write, yes ma'am, I used my brain instead of regretting, oh I wish काश पढ़ लिए होते 15 दिन. तो don't keep that regret in your heart. Put that 15 days heart and soul to it, and then write, I hope I get this comment, yes ma'am, I cleared UGC NET even JRF. I'll be very happy. And if you have any doubts regarding anything, do let me know in the comment section that yes ma'am, I want this video. I'll definitely make it. And keep preparing, keep learning, keep shining. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share with your friends, those who are preparing for UGC NET and confused what to study, what not to study. Should we clear your UGC NET examination in 15 days? So yes, share with them. That will definitely help you. And if you have not subscribed it yet, do subscribe it now, and stay tuned to English Winglish by poojasingh.com. Till then, keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye.